Yo, what up? What up? I'm about to. Yo, I'll be right back. I gotta give my daughter a bath. But I just put the trade on, got the stream set up, so we'll see. I feel like they're probably gonna reject it here at 50 because it is pre-market. I probably should take this though, to be honest. But my target's way up here, way up here, baby. I see liquidity up there. I want us to grab it, but we'll see. This might be a hold through New York Open type stuff.
Why I went to on the first time. Started shooting. I have no clue how she do this. I don't know why.
All right, yeah. I'll be back. I just wanted to get this set up. I'll turn off my camera real quick. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. Keep it on. But I am going to. What up, y'all? What up? Alfred, super free. This could reject up here. Obviously, we did this at the end of the session, and we are in pre-market. You're probably gonna respect this up here. But like I told y'all, my target's up here. I see them orders. Well, it ain't nothing crazy, but it's a 60 block in between 400 and 450 up there. So my target's up here, baby. Let's get it. And it's Friday. Fridays are historically usually bullish. Usually. But I'm not blind to the fact that we definitely could drop after this super run up. Okay, alright. So I'll be back. Yep, I'm coming. Oh. Okay, hold on. Give me a moment. Give me 1 minute. No, not an all-nighter. No. Okay, hold on.
Mommy.
Yeah, the FOMC was super tame. Alright, I'll be back.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
You ready? Okay. What would this be? $900. Or could put it. Alright, I'll take $200 if we get that. If I get stopped. Alright, I'll be back.
No. Daddy,
Alright, I'm back. I'm back. See, I got stopped out. Alright, this thing is kind of just in consolidating. ES is looking weaker than NQ right now. I wonder if they buy at the bottom of this. But ES already broke that. Dang. Um, Alright, so the only thing I don't like is that ES is looking weaker than NQ though, right now. Um, I wonder where ES can try to be going. Yeah, man, the shorts, telling y'all, they be stressful. But ES is looking a bit weaker than NQ. I think I'm gonna get out of this. I mean, I do like this right here, but mm, yeah, the 15-minute, yeah. All right, I'm gonna cut that. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this short because the ES is looking. I know I missed prime opportunity to go short up here, but I think ES got a little more room to drop. Hey, what up? I think they break this, and I think ES has a little bit. I think we could see sub 6K. Um, but they could be faking me out too. All right, let's see. What are you what are you looking at or seeing anything? Sometimes the obvious plays are the best ones to take. Problem is, oh, look at these two charts first. Looks somewhat similar. We kind of need ES to go. But I'm not seeing no demand from it, so this might be good. Maybe ES gets to 98, 96-ish, maybe even 95. If that's the case, you know NQ gonna go. Hmm. And this is a lot of consolidation. This little range. Should celebrate too soon. I should have took that 1200 I was up. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Hmm. Yeah. think it. I think ES. Hold on. I was about to say I think ES can get to 98.50 and then bounce from there. Can you hear me? Mm-hmm. Alper says a repeat of last night. Nah, this time we're really too high to keep buying. Uh, yeah, I could see 620 as well. For ES, I got a one of them resistance levels there. Yeah. Ah. I know. I said I was going to reposition too. Okay. Fine. Fine. Damn it, y'all. I just wanted you to touch down here and give me some hope. They did. They got me. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. We got them. Yeah, NQ's looking stronger than whatchamacallit. Yeah. And they just used that. The only reason I shorted because ES didn't have this like demand down here that NQ has. And I thought she was gonna lead the way and go. But NQ has the demand here. That's not on the ES chart. So that's kind of interesting. I'm sleepy. Um, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a. Should have took that long there. Should I try again? Yeah. This 2, 2. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try again. This is what y'all want to do. Let's go then. I'm gonna try again. ES is being petty. She out here being weaker than NQ. VWAP and then go to, let's see, 40. What? Did my limit not get filled? Alright. Gotta get that 500 back. Gotta get it back. Let's see the hourly. Check the 4-hour. I don't like that on ES. Alright, 603. Put that at point of control for that. What's that? Well, at least I was gonna say, at least you'll know. Yeah, it's slow, but at least you can be like, okay, yeah, this ain't it. And hopefully you're not being stubborn with it because it's slow, and then you can change direction. Let me go ahead and put my target back up where it was. 400. They're like, no, we're not gonna see 400. You're crazy. Okay. Tomorrow, Friday too. I've seen crazier things on the NQ. This would be a great setup though. Just tomorrow, yeah, that's kind of crazy. That would be. We had what? Well, I know I've seen crazier things. Crazier things have happened. This the NQ we talking about. But yeah, we've been up one November till Tuesday, 255 points. Wednesday, epic 552 points. And then today was 330 points. That's a crazy run up. And right now we up 5 points. Yeah. Like, nah, and but it's Friday though. It's Friday. Let's think of everything that just happened. Papa Powell, well, Trump won. The market reacted hella bullish to that. Powell just cut rates again. That's usually bullish for the NQ, right? Um, I'm saying crazier things have happened. If I mean, think of last year, all November, December, we just kept running up for no reason, and we kept trying to short it. This time last year, the market just kept running up, especially December. Yeah, we just gotta get our gotta get our timing down. Gotta get our timing down, Pat. We'll be straight. NQ. Yeah, that's what y'all doing out here. I know, right? Looking at that too. Like, what are y'all doing? What are y'all bulls doing? Now, if it pops up here and tests this again, this 245, 250 area, and we start to look weak out here, I'm gonna take profit because they can't break past this or break out past this, then it's probably gonna be because look at all these attempts from earlier, or yeah, earlier session. So we're gonna have to break this 45-50 area with authority. But I don't like what yes, looking weaker than Q right now. That's I don't like. don't like. Don't like. $39, almost 9:30. You know what? like, nah, you're responsible for that. They're like, nah, we ain't gonna do it for you. We want you to fail. Yes, that's that stuff I don't like. Don't like. Nice. Oh shoot, my bad. Damn. I got you on my side. There you go. You should be able to hear him now. I've been talking this whole
Oh,
time.
oh yeah, I was muted.
My bad. Agent in the OBS. All right, right back to
Alright.
break even.
If I see that she bounces, I'm closing this position. I hope she just. I mean, honestly, she's gonna probably hit the 200 EMA, but I'm just gonna front run it. Man, you know what, man? I'm just gonna front run it. I am in this trade on my swing account, but I'm looking for. So on my swing account, I'm actually looking for them to actually retest this level down here. So I'm looking to take profits down here on my swing account. But on this one, this is my intraday account. I'll just take it. Actually, what I should do, just in case they do kind of piss me off here, is actually move my stop. Just in case they piss me off. I mean, I'll take that if they pop this up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm guaranteed profits. So
Look at you being responsible.
Gold just don't play that. That's the only reason why. She just don't play that. I've learned Gold. I learned my lesson. She bounces at support. She drops at resistance. She doesn't overshoot. She does not wait. F around, find out. F around and find out what gold. I've been in profit with gold so much, and I've allowed profits to slip away that I've just come to the conclusion that, yeah, as soon as it touches a level, I'm just going to take it and try to reposition, because 9 times out of 10, what she does is you see what she's doing? You see that? You saw that? You saw it?
Nah, I missed it.
Shit.
I was too busy looking at it.
Shit.
Oh, okay.
Man, you saw it? Like, dude, she don't fucking play, bro. She don't play.
Like you
She
push
don't
that
play.
stop back. Take the profits.
Nah. I'm in too deep now.
Stupid. He's like, nah. Hey, that's funny because I did the same thing. I'd be doing the same thing. Like, come on, NQ. Ah, no. You're not. Nah, I'm not accepting that. I'm not accepting that, NQ.
Hey, what's up, Ivan? What's up? Nah, I guess I should, like I said, like, gold don't play, man. She just don't play. She said, I'm not the one. I'm not the one.
You don't think she gonna flush
Yeah,
that?
I'll just take it in my intraday account, because I really don't want to have two two positions going on at the same time. I'll just take it here.
I think she
I just
gonna
want my
flush that.
$900 that she gave me. I want that.
Oh. I think she gonna flush that though, looking at it.
Yeah, she will, man.
Well-
But I ain't trying to play with her, man. Just give me my money.
I know, right? I
I
should
brought this account back from the dead. Well, it wasn't from the dead. I just got back my daily loss limit so far. Trading on tilt today. Okay. I will put it above this candle though. I'm not playing that. That's a new candle. That shit can pop. Either it's gonna pop or drop. See? Gold, I know you. I know you, Gold. I know you. Now, dude, man, this is the type of stuff that makes you trade on tilt, man. All right, let me just move away from this chart, which pissed me off. All right, that was a good gold trade. We made about $1,200 in that gold trade. We made $1,200.
CL's calling you. She's like, it's a short. It's a short. CL, I'm not talking to you till next year. Pipe down. It's a short. It's a short.
See? Hold on. Let me see something with gold. I'm not going to take a trade on her. See, you see how nasty she is, dude? You could have hit my damn target. But I only gave up a point. I only gave up a point in this move. So, you know, my mind is thinking that, dude, because it didn't hit my target, I left money on the table, but I literally only just left a point on the table. But let's see if it actually would have came down here. But I'm still in this move in my swing account, so I'm not tripping. But man, gold, you ain't had to do that to me, man. You ain't have to do that. All right, so 698. Yeah, this could bounce at the 200 EMA on this thing, though. We could see a bounce, but
Yeah. If I hold
shit.
to this target.
Hold on.
What's
Hold
up?
on. I'm short the NASDAQ?
You short?
Dude, I'm short the NASDAQ? Is the NASDAQ going short? Dude, I'm short the NASDAQ. When did I do that? Dude, I'd be saying, oh, dude, I guess I said it and forget it. I guess I got filled and I forgot about it. Dude, I'm short the NASDAQ at 3. How am I short 315? Did the market go to 315 today?
Oh, you took that in the swing. Wait, what? 315. Ah.
Yo, hey, yo, this is a glitch, yo. Yo, this is a glitch. Yo.
You up? Average fill price? What?
Let me close this shit before they find out. Like, let me close this shit.
Before they find out. We didn't even get that high. What? Like, what?
Yo, I was like, hold on, what? I don't even remember shorting the NASDAQ.
ES? You short ES too? Or is, no, that's gold. That's gold, right? Okay.
No, that's gold. That's gold.
That's gold. Yeah, I'm tripping. Okay. But 315, like what?
I was like, hold on. 315.
It says a glitch. Let me go ahead and close that. Yo, how did...
Your boy had a 315 short, baby.
This man really is from the future. Like what? Didn't even get that high. How you? Where does it say? No, but look at the arrow on your chart where it says that you're short. Highlight, like, yeah, go highlight the arrow. It'll show. Like hover over the arrow, the down arrow.
You're down. Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, the red one.
Sell 5 at 21,315.
How?
Hey, I mean,
Oh.
hey, I'm not arguing with it. Again, dude, why is this not my funded account?
What?
Well, I guess we know where we should short at tomorrow, huh? 315, huh? 315, huh?
Hey.
You said what? You said what indicator that is? No, this is so this is TradingView, and this is just a sell. So this is a sell, and this is a buy. That's all that is.
Yeah,
all
that's
that is.
where he got in at alleged yeah, that's some type of glitch, but hey, I would take it
Hey,
too. I ain't gonna argue with it.
I ain't arguing with it. I ain't gonna argue with it. I did set a limit at 315 though, because I figured that that's where we would probably see a short. But,
And it just took that. That's crazy.
Interesting.
Well,
I gotta
okay,
experiment with that.
315,
I gotta
huh?
experiment with that.
Let me see.
At 315,
What's
huh?
315? What's my P&L on that?
315.
Okay, it's like almost 7K for me if I hold to that. 6,800.
315.
That's too
Nah,
funny.
I'll just stay long on the ES. I'll stay long on the ES. I'm not gonna get long on both the ES and the NASDAQ.
Oh yeah. $315, huh? Keep my eye out on that. But I want. I'll take 380. I'll take 380. 350. Nah, I'll take 380.
I don't think we get the 380, bro.
Okay. Okay. What up, Ivan? That is too funny though. Okay. Okay. All right, we gotta pay close attention to this up here. If we get back up here, 345, 340, 350. Because this is what got me. Instead of 1,200, I took 200. That's what got me stopped out last time. Thinking that we was just gonna go, because we never just go. It always has to be a moment, a setup, or the right time. Now, we got all this up here getting rejected. This area, this 345, 340, 350 area at the close yesterday. We got this first attempt, which is the high of the session, 245. Gotta pay attention to this if we get up here. Because that's like make or break. Which I think we break though. I think we're gonna break through that.
Yeah, I think we break through too, because price is trading in a range right now. So when I see ranges, all I see is money. Because I mean, even though this was kind of small, you can kind of see that it happened right here too. Like you can see that obviously in hindsight, but you don't see it in a moment. You saw this range right here, and you can see them buy the breaks. I mean, they broke out of this range. They broke out. They came back. They bought the retest, and they pushed up higher. And it looks like the bulls are still buying the retest right here. It looks like they're still buying, but also price is also trending as well. It's trending on the EMA, and it's trending. So I mean, price on the NASDAQ is in an uptrend. I mean, in order for it to break the trend, I guess it would have to break below the 50 EMA. It would have to break below that. It would have to break below this level right here. Like it would have to break that 200 level. Have to break, yeah, 200, and we would need to see a strong move, and then this will be the entry short for that breakdown right there. But that's if we see that. Price is trending, and so I do think that what's likely to happen is that we break this this high at 253, and if the bulls can find support at 245, 253, somewhere right here, and they buy the retest, yeah, we're going tomorrow. Our boy Smith thinking that we go to 380. The computer already told us 315, so I mean, they already told us 315.
Yeah.
Uh,
The Matrix effed up. They done told you. We got the clue now, everyone. At a minimum, we going
they
to
told us
315.
315 already.
Minimum.
350.
I said I want 380. I'll take 380. What I really want is higher.
Hmm.
415.
You looking for that 400?
Yeah, I'll take
450?
415. 415. Because you know how they like to do.
Mm.
Like you said,
Mhm.
420, 420, 440, 450. You know how they
Back
do.
down to the 100s, and then a retest of 440, 450. And if the bulls can get above that, we go higher. If they reject, we go lower. I mean, it's the same pattern. We know this by now, or at least we should. It does the same shit.
But
Does
I'll
nothing different.
accept. Yeah, I'll accept 380 though. I'll accept that. I wouldn't be mad at making 12K for just holding a position. I wouldn't be mad at that.
Our boy Smith holding a position. Like I said, dude, if we combined ourselves, heavy size, long trades, yeah. These prop firms is like, nah. We're starting to inform you that you just can't buy another account with us. You're gonna bankrupt us. And we chose
I'll
to
be like,
not allow you to buy another account.
shoot, put me on payroll then. I'll trade for whatever whoever's backing these firms, because I know they go through. I think you Profits said they got some. I forget the name of them. Somebody that gives the live capital and stuff. I forget their name, but hey, put me on the payroll. Shoot.
Yeah, because I mean, they're like casinos. I feel that prop firms are just basically casinos masquerading as prop firms. They're calling themselves prop firms, but they're casinos. But these new rules that they're coming out, as I said before, if you can pass these accounts and get to live, then there's nothing really stopping you from either opening up your own firm and trading other people's money, or going working for a bank and trading for them, an investment bank and trading for them. Because these are the rules that professionals have to adhere to. You can't be playing like, being in drawdown with somebody else's money and think that you're gonna stay there.
Unless you're
Like that trailing drawdown stuff with
unless you're
Apex,
Michael
that's
Burry.
true. Oh yeah, Michael Burry. Shit. Nah,
He
Michael
did
Burry,
not care.
shit, you gotta pay what you owe.
He did not care. It's like we're down 20%. It'll work out. And then they had to sit through that for like at least a year.
I'm gonna take that chance, bro. I'm gonna take it, man. I'm gonna take it. Yeah.
Taking it short.
bro. I'm gonna take it. This is such a risky short. This is so risky. You know what? I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't do it. I'm in this in my swing account. I should be happy. But every time I look at my swing account, I think, damn, I could have been in my other account with this still. Dude, Michael Burry, like, dude, yeah, man, trying to get the big short too. This man was up like $1 billion, right, or something like that.
Something like that.
This man was up. This dude was up. And he let them options come back and expire worthless. Like, dude, we fighting after that, man. You're gonna have to pay me some of that money back because you was straight gambling. You was trying to get the big short too, instead of taking profits on my damn money.
Oh, you talk. Oh, yeah. I know what you was talking about. Gosh, what positions did he have? Yeah, he was up big, but
Yeah,
then
he
something
was.
changed. Something changed in the market. The sentiment changed, and then we just start going up. The market just started going up.
They said, hey, yo, hey. We all know why that pump happened.
No, I do not like. I'm starting not to like this on the small. Let me see. Check the hourly. On these small time frames, I'm not. I don't like it, but well, ES that could be forming bull flag. Anyone? Bull flag? Did we get a run up? A continuous run up?
I mean, yeah, like I said, I think this holds, man. Because if they wanted to short this thing, they would have done it by now. We know what the market does when it shorts. If it ain't going
Yeah.
down, what does that mean? That shit's going up. Yeah, I'm trying to find that story with Michael Burry, but I can't find it. I'm not really looking that hard either. I'm just kind of typing it in Google and see what pops up. But
Hey,
I will say that the market is a different kind of market, though. I mean, like I said, it's no longer tied to reality. It's
yeah.
I mean, after we got those that 0% interest rates and money was basically free, the market changed after that, man. The market no longer traded how it used to. I mean, the ES now trades 20, 30, 40 points in a day now. I mean, that right there should tell you something that something has obviously changed in this market.
Yeah, when it used to be
At the
4 points. You imagine sitting through a trade and it's going back and forth. You're up 2 points, down 2 points all day.
I'm up 3 points on the ES, baby. I'm up 3 points.
Like, oh damn, now I'm back at break even.
Yeah, that shit. Yeah. So, Pentium user, what platform I'm using to trade? So I'm using NinjaTrader 8 for MFF, and I'm using TradingView for UProfit. So those are 2 different platforms. Darcy, Darcy said there's a head and shoulders pattern forming on the NQ. I would definitely agree with that. This would be kind of your head and your 2 shoulders right here. I mean, I could definitely see that. Like I said, I think 200 holds. If we lose 200, then it will be up to the bulls to come back in and find support above 200 and rip. If we lose 200, like if the bears come in, we lose 200, and they come back and they double top here at these lows, it's going to be very difficult for the bulls if they fail here to reclaim. So it's going to go down. It would have to go down to rebalance lower and find new buyers that's willing to buy this market up, possibly back down into this range right here around like 175. But I mean, we could we could see a big move because, now that I'm no longer in an emotional state, I was in this move with FOMC and they tapped this range so many times. Like, it was so criminal. I really thought the market was against me because as soon as they got to the bottom of this range right here, I got in, the market will move up, I got happy, and then all of a sudden it drops right back down to my break even. And you can see that this thing did this break even touch 10 million times. Then it came all the way back up, and then it dropped back to my point of entry. And I'm like, yo, what the fuck? And so from this area, we got this move up into this range, and they're holding it. So based on that, I'm thinking that we might not see this range. This could have been the market kind of clearing out this area so it can go higher. That's going to be my bias for right now, because there was no reason for it to tap into this range as many times as it did if it's just going to come back down and retest this area again. It just wouldn't make sense. The price action wouldn't make sense, but right now that's my bias, that we hold 200.
Look at that chart. Yeah, that's super trending. Super trend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go, NQ. NQ said F ahead and shoulders. Y'all want 315? I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give you 315. Nah, NQ.
Dude, I'm shorting 315. I'm shorting 315. I'm putting my damn thing out there already. Shit, she already told us 315. I'm a listener. I'm a
You was
listener.
up how much were you up on that? Like 900?
Yep. Got me a nice 900 short from 315, even though we ain't touch it yet. Shit.
So let me hurry up and close this. Give me my free money. Oh, so did you? Okay. So did you have a limit? You had a limit set there, and then
I think I had a limit set there. Yeah. Yeah.
and then it must have glitched in the. It must have filled somehow. Okay, was that position open since the open, or did you just like
No,
notice it
I think I set the limit. I think I set the
before?
limit before the close,
Okay, and
just
was
in
it
case
filled?
we gapped up.
Was it filled at the
And yeah,
open of this session though?
dude, I don't even know when that shit got filled. I just looked at it because all I saw was that I was in two positions. I was like, hold on, when did I get into the Nasdaq? I thought I could
He
have
said
sworn
I'm
I was about to
short.
long this thing, but
He said I'm short. 315. When did we get to 315? I'm like, we did. Yo, that is an amazing glitch. Hey, don't tell you profit. Shoot, I should have
Yeah,
set.
put another
I should have set the limits. Can you imagine if they filled me 315 short with 4 minis?
yeah, I was in short with damn what I think I had like 3 micros, if I'm not mistaken. That's crazy, bro. And I was in with 5 micros short. I was in
Yeah.
5 micros short.
Nah, Seppuku 315 didn't get hit. It never got hit, but he was filled at 315.
I think
That's
that
why
was
we
just the
laughing.
Nasdaq was saying, you know what, baby, I know I hurt you today. I know I made it seem like I was going short, and you went through so many accounts, revenge trade shorting in this, but I'm gonna give you this. Hopefully you can forgive me and not go to gold, because she know about gold. She know if she keep acting up, I'm gonna be gold trader, gold anonymous. I think it's more fitting, because apparently you lose more money in gold than that stack. I never bloated an account so quick, except for in gold. I was like, oh shit, I bloated the account already, or I hit daily loss limit. It was that fast?
Yo, that's wild.
Yep,
Yeah, because
seppuku, yep. Dude, I don't know, man. I just set the limit, and I just saw a clean, nice little $900. I'll take it.
he
I'll take it.
he said, hold up. When did we get there? I'm short. Let me hurry up and close this.
Let me go ahead and lock this in real quick.
I would have did the same thing.
I'm not gonna kiss a gift horse in his mouth, especially when it's free. Could have been greedy. Was like, nah, let's see how long I can. Nah, I'm gonna close that. I'm a
Yeah.
stubborn bear, but I ain't a foolish one. I'm gonna close this one out.
Thank you for that, NQ. I'll take that free money. That's crazy. Yeah, it must
So
have like
Pentium user. So me and Smith, we've been trading for a very long time. He's more momentum based. He likes to trade heavy size, trading the momentum. I'm more of a smaller side trader. Honestly, I trade micros. I don't even trade minis anymore. I trade micros. I trade structure, technical analysis. I look for patterns, chart patterns on the chart, and I get in where I believe that the market will react in my favor. Um, you'll see that I go for big targets with big stop. So usually on Nasdaq, I usually have a 50-point stop with a 80-point to a 150-point target. And if I'm given the opportunity to scale in, I'll scale into that. So I like to build the position as it goes higher. And I only scale in once. Going higher or lower, I only scale in once. And that strategy has proven that I can lose 2 times and one good trade will bring me back to break even. And that's why I use that strategy, because it has a built-in law of number. Like, it has built-in laws of numbers in it. So, I mean, I can lose two times. That second and third trade is highly likely to be a winner. And I can get all my money back, or I can be right initially and be done for the day. So it's a great strategy. It keeps me in the game. It's great for newer traders wanting to learn this market. And that's why I showcase that strategy here on this stream. If you're a more confident trader and you like to also trade momentum, Smith is your guy. Smith is definitely your guy.
yeah.
But I also trade other markets as well. I trade NASDAQ, ES, gold. Honestly, I trade any market that moves. As long as it trades technically, I can trade it.
Yeah.
Shit, ES, like shit. I'm damn near like 90% on ES. She's so easy to trade. You just got to wait for her. The same thing with gold. You just got to wait for it. You got to kind of be patient with it. If you try to chase it, you'll be in the situation I'm in now, underwater. If you try to chase her, but I mean, I just know that either she's going to hold 6K or we're just going to lose this level entirely. So that's something that we don't want to see here.
Yeah, we both look at book map.
Yeah, book map for sure.
Oh shoot. NQ, what you doing?
So
Stream
Pentium user.
online.
So I have so for the technical analysis, I have 2 people that I've learned from. It's called damn, I keep forgetting, master traders. And this is like they're 2 old guys, man. They're dinosaurs. Honestly, I think that they teach a strategy called bar by bar analysis, and that's where I've learned technical analysis from these guys right here. This is who I learned technical analysis from. And obviously, I built on. Well, this is obviously my foundation. These guys. It's really this guy right here. He's the technical trader. This is when I used to trade options, and yeah, they teach options. But I've come to learn that all markets move the same. They move in a technical way. It's just the only thing that's different is that the Nasdaq will trade back and forth. The ES will somewhat trade back and forth, like it won't finish its rotation immediately. Like it'll start the trade and then it'll pop back up and rebalance and then finish its rotation, versus gold, which you can see that it doesn't do that. Once it's in its rotation, it finishes it in that leg. And then you have your other leg and it finishes, and then you'll see the rotation up. So it's like, on top of knowing what technical analysis is, you also have to kind of understand the personality. YM is also very similar. YM is kind of, in my opinion, a mixture between ES and NASDAQ. Like she moves like the NASDAQ, but then she's technically sound like the ES as well. So it's like, it's kind of, and then it's priced literally in the middle. It's priced literally in the middle. So, well, I guess micro ES is I guess $5 too, but yeah, well, let me do this. Yeah, you can see that YM is somewhat like it trades like the NASDAQ, but then it has structure like the ES. So if you're a YM trader, this is definitely, you don't have to deal with that bull crap that the NASDAQ does, but then you'll get big moves. And then I was in the sim with this. It's like if you caught like this whole entire move right here with a 10 lot, like you can make like 25 to 30K on YM, man. It's like the profitability on this instrument is crazy. It's crazy how much money you can make on this thing. But you have to be really accurate with her. You gonna say something?
No, yeah, I agree.
Shit, you fuck around, you'll find out on YM. I'm taking this trade in the sim to kind of showcase like how much money like you can make on this damn thing. This thing barely moved and I'm already down like $50 on a 10 lot on YM, yo. This shit she ain't no joke. She is not no joke, man. She is not a joke. But yeah, on the 10 lot, you can make a lot of money. This one leg was probably like 2K, 20K, 15K. Yeah, dude. Honestly, I really can't see myself ever trading my real money in my account. And Rhino, yeah, yep. Yeah, that's crazy that the that the Nvidia is joining DAO. I wonder what that will do to it. I mean, will that make it trade more like the Nasdaq now? I mean, that's crazy that they're doing that.
Yeah, when does that take effect?
Dude, I don't know, man.
Let's see. Yeah, ES and ES is looking weaker to me than NQ. But that means she probably gonna take NQ down with her.
Yeah. Liam, it really depends. Obviously, me and my trading partner, if you join our streams, obviously, if we're not trading on tilt, obviously, when we're not doing that, we definitely showcase and explain the reason why we're getting in our positions that we get into, and 9 times out of 10 we are profitable. The only Financial influencer that I trust is what's his name? Carmine. I feel that because I did buy his course, and at the time I didn't get it, but now that I understand the market a lot more, yeah, that was great information. Support and resistance. I mean, it's kind of that simple. Support and resistance is kind of that simple. Trading is that simple. The only thing that makes trading very complicated is your emotional and mental capacity for the trade itself. Like if you're impatient to wait for a support area and you trade in the messy middle, well, if you trade in the middle, you'll become liquidity. You'll become a liquidity donation to the market. It's just that simple. The Nasdaq, you can get away with trading in the middle, but on other instruments, you won't. Unfortunately, you won't. Warrior 93, yeah, we just got out of a gold short. We caught the gold short. I'm still in my gold short in my swing account, but I try to get into a gold play here and there, and if I see something, I will call it out. I will call it out. We have a high percentage rate with gold in this room. I love gold now. Like I love trading gold. I love the risk to reward with gold. I can literally only risk $200 on a gold trade and make 2K. I mean, I just love that, and I've been doing that with gold ever since I started trading her. So, but if you're saying nah, gold is still in its rotation lower, she still has some way to go. I'm thinking that we'll probably see a bounce around like 695, somewhere in this area, 696, 695. But we could see them come at 2700 right here. We could. But gold is on its rotation lower. Gold has a lot weight, a lot. Yeah, it can probably even come back down here to 690 if it breaks this low. But we're gonna have to see what the price action overnight looks like.
That chart is insane. Look at that drop.
You talk about on gold? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you talk about on Nasdaq?
No, gold. Your chart.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gold. Yeah.
To the left.
Hey. Yeah. Yep. Gold is I love this thing, man. I caught this whole move down, baby. Ooh, I caught this whole move. I was so happy, man. I was so happy. I was like, dude, I caught this move, baby. I caught it. Actually, I think I know I caught it all the way to so I was in like right here, and I was able to no, I was actually here at this double top right here at 2742, and I was able to catch I think all the way, yeah, right here to 69.91. So I caught this move, and then I got mad because it kept going down lower. And then I was able to get into this this double top right here and catch this move down. But I made the mistake of thinking that the market was going to keep shorting, so I shorted it again and gave back like half those gains. So I was like, whatever, dude. I should have known that they was going to pump this thing FOMC back up into an area of support or resistance and sell off. I should have known, but hey, if you give a bear an inch, shit, we're going to short it into a mile, baby. We're going to keep shorting it
That's so
until
true.
the shorts don't work no more.
Like, no, because you see me catch a short in past streams, and then I continue doing it, and like, no, I shorted the bottom. And then by the time you
Shorting's
realize,
addictive.
yeah, it is. By the time you realize you're wrong, it's especially on Nasdaq, it's like way too late.
Mm-hmm.
And then don't try to add into it thinking it's gonna keep going lower. Like, nah, that's Clap City right there. Clap City. Yo, this is funny right now. NQ, remember we was talking about this earlier in an earlier stream. NQ is showing more strength than ES right now. I'm looking at identical charts, and NQ is showing more strength than ES. I don't trust it. I don't trust NQ to lead the way. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take what it gives me, but I don't trust it.
Dude, I mean, like I said, I don't think this drops on ES though. I don't think it drops. If it drops, I'm just watching to see if it goes underneath this low right here. Because we got to remember, this ain't the NASDAQ. You got to remember the ES. She likes to come out. She likes to be beautiful. She likes to take her time. She likes to take her time. Now, if she does break it, if we do see a break below that low, then this ain't gonna hold. We going down lower, because all these stops that's underneath this low right here, shit, this going down lower.
Yeah, it's gonna get ran. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Stop.
so if
Run
the market wants to
City.
hold, go ahead.
Nah, I'm just throwing my ad libs out there. Stop Run City.
Stop Run City. The Nas Clap. I like that, Rhino.
That's
NASDAQ.
why I went short earlier, thinking because ES was looking weaker. So it was looking like it was gonna keep dropping. And I thought NQ would follow suit, but then also I had conflicting information because NQ, they got this demand here, this 2016, 2015, or 215, 216 area where they built solid demand on this small time frame. So I trusted ES to do the heavy lifting, but now I see that NQ has more strength, at least right now. So hopefully NQ can put ES on its back and carry it to the moon. To the moon, baby. Nah, you right. I mean, I'm not saying you're not wrong, Rhino. You are not wrong. Logically, that makes sense. Profit taken. We had super all-time highs. Logically, that makes sense. And that's what we were thinking yesterday. And it was kind of Clap City if you were trying to short yesterday. Or today, whatever. You know what I mean. It was kind of Clap City.
Yeah.
Trending. I tried to establish, man, I wanted 870 so bad. 20,870. Imagine still holding that from 20,870. Dang.
Shit, we're both in swing accounts and we ain't getting none of that, man.
Yeah, I be forgetting it's a swing account. You can hold that. You can hold for at least a week. Monday to Friday.
At least until tomorrow. Friday. Yep, Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
I'm so mad about my SPY calls, man. I can't believe, like, dude, I mean, sometimes I gotta just think about some things harder than I do sometimes. Of course, they was gonna do that crap. Of course, it was gonna wait until after the elections. I don't know why I thought that, because something told me just to buy it 2 days out, like for Wednesday, but then it was too expensive for me. But I guess I lost all that money though, so. Man.
Yeah.
I had 578 calls. I could have bought them for Thursday, yet I chose not to do it. I was like, dude, I was like, man, just get these 0 DTEs, man. These 1 DTEs, man, and make this money.
Yeah.
And I thought the market was going to get it, man. I really thought it was going to get it, but of course the election is going to hold the market up. And once we figured out who the next president was going to be, that was going to determine if the bulls bought or not.
You know how I feel. You know how I feel. Man, I bought. This was 572 calls that I bought, not looking at the expiration. I was trying to do too much. So I thought I did it for the 1 day, but it was a 0 DTE. And those calls jumped they went from 40, what was it, like 40 something bucks, 40 bucks? Because I bought at 69, 569, 68, or no, 570 and 569. I think we got down to 68 and then we bounced. Man,
Mm-hmm.
them things went up to like $4, yo. And I bought two at like 40. Pissed. I'm like,
Yeah.
what? I literally opened the app. I kid you not. I opened the app. I was like, yo, where's my position? Why is it not? Why is my balance down? What happened? I really had to sit there and think about that. I was like, no, it was a 0 DTE. I swear I thought it was for one day, for the following day. And them things would have, man, I would have been eaten. Ugh. Yeah, I was hurt about that. That hurt me. Hurt my feelings, Spy. And now she at 595. Like, what?
My bad, Pentium user. No, so this is Ninja Trader 8. What you see on the screen is Ninja Trader 8. If you're talking about this, these are indicators that, I mean, like, I don't necessarily use TradingView. This is, don't judge me, but this is like some ITC stuff when, you know, everybody has ICT indicators. What I like to use these things for is to see where the support is when I look at like SPY and stuff like that. So these are the indicators that I use: the EMAs, smart money concepts, ICT concepts by Lux Algo, which is all free. I've already shown that you buy a fair value gap blindly if you want, you'll become liquidity just like everybody else. But yeah. So the only thing that I only look at the EMAs. I only look at the structure, and I like to look at support areas where price could potentially find support and bounce. I ignore all fair value gaps, breaker blocks, all that stuff. I feel like these things don't. I mean, if you're scalping, I guess they can work if you're scalping, but I'm a long-term trader, so obviously, ideally, I want to get in that resistance, and I want to take profits at support and vice versa. So, and Rhino, I definitely agree. Just building that habit of being because, like, I mean, I'm not gonna say that I do it myself, but I do have a hard time one and done trades. Now, MFF kind of forces me to do that in the funded account. You have to make a there's a consistency rule with MFF, so you have to make the same amount or close to the same amount. And I absolutely hate that, but I absolutely love the fact that I can get a payout every week if I adhere to these rules. The one day where I didn't adhere to it and I went tilt and hit daily loss limit, I had to trade 2 extra days to get that money back. So, like I said, I hate it, but I do love the fact that we get paid out every week. So. So yeah, just building up that habit, being consistent, taking one trade, win or lose, accepting what happens, journaling the results, seeing what you could do differently, and just building that habit. Yeah, that's a great way to begin to learn how to trade. Get your mental and emotional state in a solid area.
Yo, that reminds me. Mentioned journal. I was gonna make a recap video of yesterday and today, and I tried to import my trades into TradeZilla from TradingView, and it's giving me an error. I was so upset because I was ready to. I was like, all right, we're gonna get back, we're gonna make this recap, we're gonna journal it, and kind of go over yesterday and today. It kept giving me an error. I was like, damn. A little sad about that. Because I was looking forward to doing it.
What errors was it giving you?
It was saying TradeZilla saying that it was missing a field or something, but everything
Mm.
in there was correct. So I don't know.
Did you make sure that you switched it from because I guess it's a way how you download it. I think it's like it's either a CSV or Excel file. Do you recall which way you downloaded the file?
Nah, I just downloaded it because I can get it.
Uh,
It didn't even give me the option to choose
it
the
usually should.
format in Trading View. Because I go like if
Oh,
you
oh,
look,
you said Trading View. Okay, for some reason
yeah,
I thought you were saying
Trading.
Trade of 8.
No,
Okay,
Trading
no.
View. Yeah, I can get
Yeah, never mind.
Trade Yeah, I get my stuff all day. Trade of 8.
Mm.
Trading View. It's my first time trying it to export. You just go to. I don't know if it's on my stream. Let's see. Oh, y'all can't see it.
I guess let me look at it then. Trading, notifications, all events, blah, blah, blah. Events.
Yeah. You really can't see it on my stream, but if you go to X, it's right below summary row, or it says export data. Okay.
You
And
said
now you
summary
see,
row.
yeah, you got to click the 3 dots by your account info on the left,
Mhm.
and then export data. And then you want to do the history, and then just hit export, and it'll download it.
Okay, so yeah, it's downloaded in the CSV file. That's why.
CSV, yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a way to. You said that it's in. What are you using as a journal again?
TradeZilla.
I think there is a way to change that format to CSV. Yeah, because it's exporting in a CSV, and I think TradeZilla wants it to be in an Excel sheet format.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I just know it kept giving me an error, and I was like, ah. I was excited to do that recap video, but I'm like, I'll figure it out. Probably figure it out over the weekend or something.
Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna let my. I mean, I spent $300 on TradeZilla. Shit, wasted all that money because now it seems like everybody now has the same journal format already in their platform. So TradeZilla is kind of irrelevant at this point, in my opinion. So I spent $300 on that damn thing for nothing.
Yeah, that thing renewed. I was like, what? What is this? I was like,
I
hey,
think. Hold on, let me
yo.
make sure I cancel mine.
I was like, hey, yo, what is this? Well, what I spent
You did your
300
refund?
bucks on? Nah, I kept it, but I canceled it. So it's good until next year, but I definitely hit the cancel. But
Sure, I
man,
got it canceled, dude. Cause yeah, I definitely don't need it on Mongo.
yeah, because
So I got it
MFF,
until.
it almost seems like the same thing on MFF.
Yeah, it is exactly the same. That's why I canceled it. I was like, man, it's the same shit on MFF. And that's my home now, so I don't need this shit no more.
They done stole that man's brand, or somebody, whoever the developer was, got that mess out there open source.
Mm-hmm. This is why you don't chase the ES. I chased the ES and I found out. I figured that what it was going to do was it was going to break out here, but apparently, I mean, it didn't do it. But like I said, I'm confident in this area because I think they're going to hold 6K on EA. I mean, on EA, on ES. And if it breaks below this low right here, then I know I'm wrong. Underneath 98, if it breaks below that, I'm wrong. But yeah, I canceled that thing. Yeah, I canceled it. It's not going to renew.
Yeah.
But actually,
'Cause-
let me look at it because go ahead.
Well, for me, I was like, well, I don't really use it that much to be to justify spending that, even though I know it's annual, but still.
Yeah.
It's a good, and they're
So let me
adding.
look at the.
He's adding new features and stuff, and trying to make it more, trying to improve on it. But
Mm-hmm.
bro. I don't use it like that.
Did you change the platform to TradingView? Did you do that?
Yes. So, okay. There is a thing with that. So, because you have to select, or for at least for me, it made me select a broker. And I'm like, okay, I'm not using a broker because it's a prop firm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not using an actual broker. And then they didn't have Trading View as the option for the broker. So, yeah. I don't know. Like I said, I'll figure it out.
Did I just get logged out? Like, because I'm looking at it now. All right, so let me test it out because it says upload your CSV file. Trading View is an option, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn it to Trading View. I guess whatever. I'm gonna upload, and then you're talking about the broker. I think you have to use. Let's see if they have it
I picked Trade-Evade.
because I think it's isn't TradeStation. I think they use TradeStation.
Trade Station is
I think they use TradeStation.
for Trading View.
Yeah, TradingView. I think they use TradeStation. Let's look that up.
I don't know. I picked Trade-Evade and it's still giving me an error. Because I know you can use Trading View through Trade-Evade. So that's why I just selected that, but it's giving me an error. Should I be patient and hold this, or should I cut this and go to bed? Or I'm up $200. They're gonna make us wait, and I don't want to wait.
I mean, yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold this overnight. I don't think we see a drop tomorrow. At least not initially. I think we're gonna get up into these areas up here. We can probably see a run of these highs because everybody's gonna short 13 and get clapped. I think we could see like 20, 23-ish, right where these pivot points are. I think we see it tomorrow. And then, we can see that rotation down probably next week. But Monday is an American holiday. We know the market loves to grind higher.
Oh, we back on was it Veterans Day?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. You know what happened last year? I
Yeah.
think the year before
Shit.
that. That was just a straight up day.
Yeah, it was, dude.
And I tried to short it. I remember. Why are my shorts not working? We're sitting here trending up. Hey, buy any dips. Not financial advice. Take it from, well, yeah, like you said, American holidays, they're so bullish in the markets.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody thinks to short on American holidays.
I don't. Yeah, dude. It's easily one of the because I mean nobody's not gonna short that thing. I mean, it's like TradingView does not match the account broker.
You got the
NinjaTrader.
error?
It's saying something about NinjaTrader. Maybe okay. So let me just do it. Let me do it this way. Because I just used Trade-Evade. And yeah, okay. So maybe it's me. Maybe it's okay. Maybe it's yeah. Okay. So manage accounts. Okay. So yeah, I got the broker. So I'm gonna add account. Trading view paper trading. First in, first out. It says clear selections first. Huh? It says clear the selection first. Dude, I don't know what the hell this thing is saying.
get a better position lower?
Damn, they even got top step X on this. That's interesting.
Yeah, I saw that. Maybe I should
Okay,
choose.
so
I mean, Top Step X is basically trading view, right?
add trades. Okay, so brokers are required. So it says something about Oanda, so I'm gonna try Oanda and see if that works.
That's for
If I'm saying the
Forex.
name right.
That's a Forex broker.
That's what it said online.
Oh, really? You use Olanda? I used to have
Yeah,
an account
well,
with them back in the day.
it says that brokers used by TradingView. It says Oanda is mentioned as blah blah blah, capital town. It says additional articles. All right, let me try this. TradingView paper trading. Because like I said, I think it's the CSV file that's really messing you up because it's looking for columns and rows and all that other stuff, and I don't think the CSV has that. The CSV format has for whatever reason, and then you might have to enter the trades manually or something like that.
I ain't doing all that. You know how
Yeah,
many trades I be taking? That's too much.
that's interesting that they don't.
I think I'm gonna just. Uh,
So maybe it's just you profit itself. Maybe because it's like the same thing. Like, so okay. So let's. I'm gonna try Top Step X.
yeah.
I'm
See
gonna
if
try, I'm gonna
that
try another
works.
Top Step X because I think it's the same thing. All right, so let's see if it'll work because I think it's the same thing. All right.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here though. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. Go to sleep. I
Okay.
got my stop. If it gets down here and touches my stop, then I'm wrong. But yeah. And then if I get stopped out, we'll get it back in the morning.
Yep. We'll always get
Ain't
the
worried
money
about.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Ain't
Yeah,
worried
we'll,
about
we'll
that.
figure this out because yeah, that didn't work. We'll figure it out. All right. But all right, guys. I guess we'll end it here then. I guess we'll end it there.
All right,
Trading view
everybody.
verse.
Hopefully, I wake up and my 380 target got hit. 315 at a minimum. But all right,
That
y'all.
looks like
Y'all
it.
know my position. Let's see. I'm in at what is that? 28? No, 29. 29.37. So we'll call it 29.50. 29.50, my average, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we break this. If we struggle here, I think if they fail to break this here, this area here, let me draw it out. They fail to break this. Then we might see some vicious selling off of that. But Yeah. But if we break through this, which I believe we will, then we gonna go. We hitting Sherm's 315 target. Nah, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, we definitely just have to we just got to get it above 250 and find support above that. Then
Yeah.
350 is definitely a possibility. This is why I don't trade gold. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna end my stream here. I'll catch everyone in the AM cash session.
All right, everybody. Have a good night. Peace out.
Yep. Peace.
All right, bro.